Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Penting dah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mari kita awali. Let's start our study today with dua, with pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika sholihin. So guys, before we move to the new sections of our study, I would like to ask you to do some review. So we would like to read. I'm gonna read the surah just like yesterday, word by word, and I will stop by in some ism, in some noun, and please help me say out loud whether that ism is rafa, nasb, or jar. Ready? So let's start with the Surah Al-Qadar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalna hu fi laylati al-qadari wa ma adraka ma laylatu al-qadari laylatu al-qadari khairun min alfi syahrin tanazzalul malaikatu warruhu fiha biidzni rabbihim min kulli amrin salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajri. Next on the next surah Al-Bayyinah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lam yakunil ladhina kafaru min ahli al-kitabi wal musyrikina munfakkina hatta ta'tiyahumul bayyinatu rasulum minallahi yatlu suhufan mutahharatan fiha kutubun qayyimatun wa ma tafarraqa alladhina utul kitaba illa min ba'di ma ja'athumul bayyinah. Okay. Wa ma umiru illa liya'budullaha mukhlisina lahuddina hunafa'a wa yuqimus salata wa yu'tuz zakata wa dhalika dinu rafa al-qayyimah. Okay, we stop at that point. And so I believe that I think you have already got familiar with this right now, is it? Okay. So again, so far we learned about the ending sound to determine the status of singular noun. Okay. So if I will put the mushaf first. If the ism or the noun ending ends with dhamma or dhammatain. So what is the status then? Just like this sample, rajulun mean boy, means boy. This is rafa. And rajulan, nasab. Rajulin, jar. Okay. You can use this kind of abbreviations, or maybe if you want to use the Arabic abbreviation, you can use ra, nasab, or jim. Up to you. Just use which one do you like. Okay, I will take another example, and please help me to figure out what is the ending sounds for this particular ism. We have Muslim. So if we want to make it rafa, what should we do? Muslimun. And for your information, if usually most of the time it's gonna be without tain if we have alif lam in the front. Al muslimu. This one of condition that makes the dhammatain become dhamma.
I think rafa, nasab, and jar is used when this word is inserted in the sentence. How about if just we use Muslim? So we just use the word Muslim. We must use Muslimin, Muslimun, or Musliman.
No particular rules for that. But usually to make it simple, just using rafa. Here. Usually if you open the dictionary, Arabic dictionary, they would not put any ending sound. So just Muslim, and then the rest of it, you decide. Okay, this is Muslimun. And for the nasab, what is gonna be? And this is for you to know also. Just for the fathah, you need to put alif in the end. Okay? But if there is a alif lam in the beginning, then you need to remove the alif, and the fathatain just remain as fathah. And the last one, what is Muslim in a jar condition? Muslimin. Okay, good. Now you got the idea. How? Okay.
What's the different? I mean, the meaning between with alif and lam and without alif and lam?
We will talk about that in detail later, but I will just give you some clue. In English, alif lam means like the. So we refer to some specific objects. The. Al-Muslim, maybe we already know that. Oh, this Muslim, Juna is a Muslim. This Muslim, I mean this Muslim. The Muslim. Something like that. But if we said Muslimun, it means common for everybody. Muslimun. In English, we usually just put it as a. Okay? A Muslim. Not the Muslim. So for Quran, usually we use Al-Quran because it's already specific. Al-Quran is that our holy book, not any other reading books. Got it? Okay.
You write down the alif and lam?
You want to write down? Okay.
Just want to know.
Yes, for sure. So if you want to make it alif lam, then you just put alif lam, and then you need to delete the yarhamkallah And then we need to, for nasab, we need to delete the fathah. Also, okay, so it's gonna be like this. And for jar, you just need to delete one of the kasrah. You put alif lam. Okay? It's also work the same for rajulan. Ar-rajulu, ar-rajula, ar-rajuli. Okay? But in the difference is just because in here in tajweed we say it is is qamariya, so we do not need to put tashdid in here. But because ra is, it's hard for us to pronounce al-rajulun. It's kind of weird, so we just said ar-rajulu. Okay? It's matter of tajweed. It's a different topics. Okay? You got the idea? Any other question? Thank you for your questions. Yeah. Without question, our class is gonna be very plain. Okay. Now I am going to change this singular form into pair. Okay. Now we want to learn about the pair form of every status. For rajulun, if we want to make it pair, this is what we are going to do. Break. Rajulani. If you want to put some alif lam, so just put it alif lam there. And then for this, for the nasab, so it's gonna be, sorry, not rajulani, and this is rajulaini. And for the Juno, you focus on here.
Yes.
Okay. Rajulaini. Okay. Do you notice something?
For nasab and jar are the same.
Exactly. Exactly confident. So we just need to remember two kinds of forms.
And how we
Distinguish differs. After we learn some Arabic, later we can know how to differ. But for now, this is how it goes. So just remember this first. Don't worry about that. Okay, so what should we add actually on the rafa to change it from singular to pair? What kind of ending combination that we should put in here? Alif and what? Yes. How is about the nasab? Okay. How is about the jar? Same. Okay. Okay. Now, please help me to change this. Just forget about alif lam for now. So, what is gonna be this one? Muslimani. How is about this? Muslimine. Muslimaini. How is about the jar? Muslimaini. Same. So before the ya nun is always fathah. Because if we use kasrah, it's another thing. It's gonna be jama'. Later we talk about that. For pair, this is okay. So if we see something like this letter, then we know that this ism is two rafa. This ism is two nasab, two details, two doers, and two after of, two jar. Okay, easy, right? Now please open the exercise. I'm not going to write it down on the blackboard. It's a whiteboard, sorry. So please help me to change pen, qalamun, qalamun. When we say that the pen broke, so it should be al-qalamu. You still remember that I said recently, when the English is the, then we can use alif lam. Al-qalamu. I found a pen. Qalaman. I found a pen. Qalaman. Because in here the doer is I. The two pens write well. Good. Al-qalamani. She gave him two pens. There is no the there. Qalamaini. The two pens erasers are new. Really? Is that jar?
The two pens erasers are new.
Are you sure?
No.
Is it the small?
Yes, you're already correct. That's jar. Yes, that's jar. Because in English, the way we say it should be, in here, what is the doers? Erasers of pen. Erasers. So it should be the erasers of two pens. So the pens is after of. Yes, good. You're already correct. I just trick you. Qalamaini. Al-qalamaini.
With al or no?
If we just make it the, because if you do not really sure about that, then you are not really sure about that, then it's just fine. You just ignore about alif lam and not alif lam. That's fine. Because our focus now is just knowing the combination, pair combination. Okay, let's move to the student. Student in Arabic, we say it talibun. Talibun. Now, if the sentence is the two students studied. Now you call Okay, good. At-talibani. I met two students. No need to put alif lam. Good. Talibaini. Because it's a nasab. The book of the student. The book of the students. What would we say? At-talibun?
Talibin.
It's a singular or pair?
Singular.
Singular. And then what's the status?
Taliban.
Jar.
Yeah.
The book of the student. So what is the main role? The main role in here. The main actor is book, not the student. Okay. So at-talibi. At-talibi, because there is the there. And then the student passed. The student passed. At-talibu. Good. Two students grades. It is jar. Good. And it is pair. Yes. Then talibaini. No need to put alif lam. Talibaini. Next. Rasulun. Messenger. Two messengers came. Two messengers. Good. Is the rafa, nasab or jar? Rafa. So rasulani. Rasulani. Sorry, rasulani. Rasulani. They followed a messenger. Rasulan. It's nasab. It's nasab, isn't it? Then the messenger taught. Ar-Rasulu. Okay, now I will test one by one, starting from Iman. The call of the messenger. Ar-Rasuli. Good. Juno. The call of two messengers. What is the status? What is the status? Yes, it is jar because it's after of. Okay. How many messenger there? One or two? The call of two messengers. E. 3E. Don't be nervous. You are not on the TV. You're just behind the TV. So it is jar. Okay. It is after of. And how many ism? One or two? Two. So it should be this one with aini. So Rasul laini. Good. Next.
Yes.
Arif.
A Muslim travel.
A Muslim traveled. Yes.
Muslim travel. So it should be subject. It should be rough. So Muslimun.
Muslimun. Good. Tino.
Can you follow a messenger?
Which one did you read?
I meet a Muslim.
I met a Muslim.
I met Muslim. The Muslim is just one. So Muslimun. Muslimat.
Dicoba semua. Dicoba semua.
You still have 3 options left. You can use all of them. Musliman, good. Gilman. 2 Muslims traveled.
Muslims travel. Muslimani.
Muslimani, good. Adil, I met 2 Muslims.
Muslimain.
Muslimaini. Firman, the religion of Muslim is Islam. Muslimaini. Really? The religion of a Muslim is Islam. You still have 4 choices left. Muslimin.
Muslim.
Okay. Now, Hari. A student gave teacher 2 pens. How is about the student status? So it should be a student gave teacher 2 pens. At-talibu. Sorry, talibun. Yes, good.
2 students.
Okay, then for Luis. 2 students pens. Sorry, 2 students pen. How is about the pen status? 2 students pen.
The pen status is Rafa.
2 students pen. The pen status is
You mean the status of
pen.
student? Pen?
Yeah. 2 students pen.
The student is Jar
The student is Jar.
and the pen is Rafa.
Rafa, good. Yes, correct. So how should we pronounce it in Arabic for that pen?
For pen or pen for lam. For lam.
So it's gonna be kalamun. Good. For Isra.
Yang susah mas, yang susah.
Two pens came.
2 pens what?
No, it's weird. Say, I will try to find another. Wait. The last one is a little bit hard. Tetot.
Pas.
The 2 Muslims traveled.
The 2 Muslim travel.
The 2 Muslims traveled. How many Muslims there?
Hah? 2.
Okay, pair.
2 pair.
Yes, okay, and then what is the status of that Muslim that I said lately?
Al-Muslim.
The 2 Muslim, yes, Al-Muslimani, very good. Isra is awesome, good. So that's all for today. I hope you can get the benefit from our today's class. Yes, we finish and we continue tomorrow with another topic. Thank you very much. Jazakumullah khairan kathir. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah, wabiridha wal inayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Answer my salam. Waalaikumsalam.